If you love cracking your knuckles and think it's destroying your joints, relax. That pop you hear isn't bones snapping, it's just tiny bubbles bursting in the fluid between your joints. Scientists have studied this for years, and guess what? There's no solid proof that knuckle cracking causes arthritis. But here's the catch. Doing it too often might weaken your grip strength over time, or make your hands swell temporarily. So the next time someone tells you cracking your knuckles will ruin your hands, you can tell them it's mostly a myth.